Hi, my name is Matthias, and today I'll show you how to get Facebook ads data connected into ChatGPT. It's a three-steps process, with step number one being the connection of your Facebook or Meta Ads account. Step number two, the connection to ChatGPT. And step number three is to get insights. Let's get started. As a first step, you head to onboard.windsor.ai. Here on the left-hand side, you see Facebook ads. You click Grant Facebook Ads Access, Grant Access, and once this is done, all your Facebook Ads accounts will appear in the table below here. Then once you have selected your ad accounts, head to the data preview here and check whether this is the right data from the right accounts which you have selected. If this is the case, let's head to ChatGPT. In here, you need to go to the Apps and Connector page in your settings. Advanced settings, turn on the developer mode. And then in here, you can click Create. Give it a name. We call it windsor.ai. You add the MCP server URL. And then you tick I understand and want to continue. Click Create. It's connected. Now we can head back to the prompt screen. Now in here, go to More and then Activate the plugin. And now you can write your own prompt, or you can use our prompt library for inspiration. I'm just going to take one of the prompts here, paste it in. Then I need to specify the time range here. It's 30 days. The ad account I want to connect, I'm going to use this account name here. Let's go. Now we grant access to get the connectors data. Now grant access to the ads account. Now we have to allow the data retrieval. And now the report is being created. There are 300 other connectors. Of course, you can also connect them. Tell ChatGPT to blend the data between the different connectors, and you can write your own prompts, or you can use the other prompts in our prompt library to get insights. Thanks very much for watching, and enjoy working with our connectors.